Hello everyone, I Harmeet welcome you all on WS Cube Tech English channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about that how you can use Pinterest to boost the traffic on your blogs or your blogging website, right? So let's get started. So this is a sample account I have created, right? This is related to the WS Cube Tech blogs because we have a website where we post blogs related to the digital marketing or technical courses, right? So this I have made this particular account WS Cube Tech blog. So I haven't optimized it because I want to show you that how you can optimize your profile or how you should optimize your profile in order to get high traffic, right? First of all, we have to have a SEO friendly name and the description, right? Then we'll start posting, right? So for that, in order to write a good name for your Pinterest account, we have to do the keyword research, because without keyword research we cannot do anything on any search engine, right? So first of all, we will find out some keywords, right? And to find out keywords, firstly I'm using the Pinterest only, right? So let's get started. In the home feed I'm typing some keywords related to the blogs, and I'll see that what else ideas I get, right? So first of all, you can see this is the blogging for beginners. So blogging for beginners is the first ranking that people have searched it more, right? So blogging for beginners or blog post ideas or blog topics, right? So I'm gonna write few keywords among them. All right, so see, I'll write some keywords here like blogging. Blogging would be my first keyword. Then I'll write something about blogging for beginners. So blogging for beginners would be my another keyword. Then I'll see that what else I can get. So blogging topics I can take, right? Or blogging post ideas. So I'm just copying down all the keywords which I'm getting from the Pinterest only, right? So I'm writing blogging topic or one keyword that is really popular on Pinterest. No matter what kind of business you have or what kind of channel you have, ideas are really popular in Pinterest, right? So let's see, I'm just trying to change it to, I'm just typing blogging, right? So let's see what else I get. So blogging tips is there, blogging ideas are there, blogging for money. If you are creating some blogs related to the money, or if you are doing something related where you are telling people how you can earn money, then you can definitely put this particular blog like blogging for money. Okay, so let's see, I'm just adding this particular blog. So let's see from blogs what I get, right? So this is also really popular, like blogs to follow, right? So I'm definitely gonna add this also. So blogs to follow. Blog to follow would be my another keyword. And more keywords you can add related to the content. For example, you are posting related to the food, then you can add food blog and you can just search your keywords from there, right? So for example, I search out, you post food related to blogs, right? So I'm just gonna type here food blogs and food blogs to follow, food blog ideas, right? So that's I'm gonna take as example, or I'm gonna take these keywords, right? So as you can see, okay, so if I search blogs, only blogs, if I type here are some other suggestions also, like post ideas, topic, how to start a blog that I can write, blog ID, blog name ideas, blog backgrounds, right? So these all are some suggestions that I can take some examples from, right? But be attached to your niche, right? For example, you are making travel related blogs, right? So then you can search your keywords according to that, right? Other than that, you can use key search. From key search, you can just find out what are the other keyword that you can use, or what is the most trending keywords related to your content. Another method to find out some keywords is to just search blogs and just find out what are top rankings post you get, right? So you can just take some inspiration from that. For example, this is a post and we can say the pro smart entrepreneur, this is something like that, right? And you can see this is a blog, so you can just take some ideas like this. Blog is about how to start a blog and easy guide for starting blogging. So as you can see, blogging and blog has repeated like 2 times, and in the description also there is like blogging, side hustle, start a blog, and there are some hashtags and some keywords has been repeated very frequently, like blogging here and this blog, right? So blog, okay, and here in the text overlaid in this image is 2021 time full-time income, or we can say. So we can definitely write, if you write some blogs which help people to earn some money, right, from any source, then you can write blog for money, right? That would be really helpful. So I'm writing blog for money. All right, so these would be my few keywords, and by using them I'm gonna customize my profile first, then we will talk about that how we can post something and write a title about it, right? So in the settings, I'm going in the settings, and settings you can just change your logo. Here you can put your logo of your website, or you can just put a picture which depicts your content, what kind of blogs you are writing, just post any picture out there, right? So let's talk about name. So first of all, we will talk about that my website name is WS Cube Tech blog. Let's see, I'll open that, like WS Cube Tech blog. Okay, so this is my website, wscubetech.com/blog, right? So these are few blogs out there. All right, in name, so as you can see, these are some popular keywords for this particular channel or particular profile, right? So I'm gonna just separate it with that pipeline and WS Cube Tech blogs, and I'm gonna write blogging, or I can write like daily blogging. All right, and I'm gonna add another keyword, that would be blogs 2021. All right, so this would be my profile name because I have added some keywords in that, and my website's name also. All right, so whenever we will write the description, you must add these keywords to that. For example, blogging for beginners, or blogging topic, ideas, blogs to follow, blog for money. These all kinds of things you can put out there. So you can just in the description, you have to add these keywords and the type of content you are providing to your audience, right? So I'm gonna start with that daily blogging we can add. Other than that, I can write blog ideas or the blog topics. Other than that, I'm adding some keywords related to my content. For example, we post related to the digital marketing. So I'm gonna add something related to the digital marketing. Either you can just make a particular paragraph, or I'm just separating all the keywords through pipeline, right? So whatever suits you, just make sure to add these keywords to your description, right? So digital marketing or the social media marketing I'm typing, because we post blogs related to the social media marketing, right? So that's why I'm adding this. All right, so this would be our profile name. As you can see from here, this would be our profile name. You can add some related your content related keywords in your profile name also, right? I could have added marketing strategy or marketing blogging, right? But whatever type of blogs you make, just add those keywords in your profile name, right, and your description, right? So now let's start creating a pen, right? So from here you can just create a pen. So I'm taking any random picture or random pen. Okay, so this is a picture of one of our blogs, like 15 innovative startup app ideas, right? So basically this picture is for our website, right? We can just crop it, right? So just I'm trying to crop it. All right, so let's see if I can. All right, so I can make my picture like look like this. Now you have to add the title. Just make sure that these keywords should be in your title, and what type of content you are providing in this particular post, just add keywords related to that, right? So first of all, I'll write the name of this particular blog, that would be innovative startup app ideas, right? So this would be my post name, right? So I can add the 15 plus innovative startup ideas, or I can write here like business ideas, I can also add, right? And in the description of this particular post, just add these keywords which we have sorted down. And other than that, you can add some keywords related to this particular type of blog, right? So I'm gonna show you. So in our website, this is that particular blog about which I'm posting on Pinterest, right? So this is that particular blog. I can take some examples from here. I'm taking this description. So I'm posting that particular paragraph to here in the description of that post. Okay, so I have added this description, and other than that you can add some keywords separately like this. So I've added these keywords and separated them through pipeline like blogging, business ideas, app development, topics, startup, blogs to follow, right? And there's this small tip to convert these keywords into the hashtags also, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to paste them again and I'm gonna make them hashtag. Alright, so I have converted these keywords into this hashtags, right? So this is a pro tip that you have to follow. Now comes the most important thing, that the relevancy of that particular post into a board, right? So you have to create a board and just make sure to post it into a relevant board. For example, this particular blog is related to the startup ideas, right? So that's what I'm doing. So I'm creating a board name startup ideas and I'm gonna save this particular post into that board, right? So now comes the most important thing, that to add a destination link. Okay, so this is my blog and I want my audience from the Pinterest to see this blog whenever they click on this particular post, right? So I have copied this link and I'm gonna paste it here, right? So as I paste it here, I'm gonna add some alt text. So you can just copy this topic of this post and you can just paste it in the alt text. I have already told you the importance of alt text, right? So basically your alt text should describe the what is in this picture, right? So I have added the alt text, we have added the link of our video, right? Now we're gonna publish it, right? So after posting it, you can see that here is your post and this is your post, and if anybody, any audience come across your video, or and it will be directed to that particular blog, that particular page where you wanted them to see, right? So this is the best thing about Pinterest, that any link can be added to a particular picture, right? So this is about blogging. We have learned that how to write the title of your profile, how to write the name, how to write the description, and how to post a picture, and how to write the description, right? So there were some tips in that. If you are a blogger, just promote your blogging website or drive traffics to your blogs through Pinterest, right? So I hope this video was useful for you. Then if there any suggestion or comment, you can just comment down, and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.